Are you ready to discover a tool that could completely change your YouTube strategy, help you grow faster, and find winning ideas every single day? Today, I'm going to show you how to use vidIQ like a pro, even if you're starting from scratch. Hi, I'm Lola, and this is Cash Loop, your channel about artificial intelligence, productivity, and digital business. Today, we're not just talking about how to upload videos. We're going to explore why some channels grow so fast and how you can use real data to improve your content, your titles, your ideas, and most importantly, your impact. Let's begin. First, you need to have your YouTube channel set up. And second, make sure you have vidIQ installed as a browser extension and connect it to your channel. It's free, takes just 2 minutes, and gives you access to the most powerful tools you can use as a creator. Once it's ready, go to app.vidiq.com and open your dashboard. From there, you can start exploring everything this tool has to offer. One of the most powerful features, the keyword section. Here you can type in any phrase or idea you have for your next video. For example, if you're thinking of creating a finance tutorial using AI, you might type, "How to save money with artificial intelligence." vidIQ will show you a list of keywords people are actually searching for on YouTube, along with competition level and search volume. What does that mean? You'll be able to spot popular topics with low competition. In other words, real opportunities to rank and grow. And if you already have some video ideas, this is the perfect place to validate them. You'll also see videos that are performing well around that topic, which is great for inspiration and learning from successful thumbnails, titles, and formats. And now one of my favorite tricks. But first, subscribe to Cash Loop so you don't lose track of this channel and so you can start making money on social media with the help of your best ally, artificial intelligence. With vidIQ, you can save channels as competitors. If you spot a creator doing something similar to your content and getting results, add them to the Competitors tab. You'll be able to see what they're uploading, how their videos perform, what topics they're using, how fast they're growing, what tags they're using, everything. It's a great way to learn directly from people who are already ahead in your niche. Another super useful feature, the scorecard that appears directly on videos while browsing YouTube. This tool lets you analyze any video in depth: SEO score, tags, click-through rate, ranking, and engagement level. And if you're into planning content with precision, don't skip the trending section. From here, you'll see what's blowing up on YouTube in your language or country so you can jump on high visibility topics while they're hot. Another gem, vidIQ's AI title generator, which gives you dozens of catchy title ideas based on your keyword. Best of all, you can see how well each title is likely to perform based on vidIQ's analysis. Remember, a great title doesn't just inform, it makes people click. So here's my advice. Make vidIQ your best ally. Use it before recording to know what's worth creating. Use it while editing to optimize your title, tags, and description. And use it after uploading to audit your channel and find what can be improved. YouTube isn't just about uploading videos and hoping for the best. It's about strategy, analysis, and consistency. And tools like vidIQ give you an edge you can't afford to miss. But I also want to say this. Stop waiting until you feel ready. You might never feel ready. Your first video doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to exist. Every successful creator started with a messy first attempt, but they took action. You don't need the perfect setup or all the answers. What you need is the decision to start. Real growth doesn't happen in endless planning. It happens in consistent practice. So stop overthinking, start creating, and let the process transform you. Your future self will thank you. If you want to keep learning how to create faceless content using artificial intelligence and real growth strategies, give this video a like and let me know in the comments what other tools you'd love to explore. I upload new videos every week packed with resources you can start using today to scale your digital business. See you in the next loop.